Level up your language. Understanding, a notch up. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English expression, a notch up. This phrase packs a punch in just 3 words, and we're here to unpack its meaning for you. So, let's elevate our understanding a notch up together. The phrase, a notch up, is an idiomatic expression meaning to improve, increase, or intensify something by a small amount. It's often used to suggest a slight but significant enhancement or progression in quality, intensity, or value. Tracing back to the days of manual gears and tools, a notch was a literal indentation that helped measure increments or adjustments. When you moved something a notch up, you were literally increasing or improving its position. This tangible concept has evolved into the figurative language we use today. This versatile phrase can be applied in various contexts. Whether you're talking about turning the volume a notch up or taking your skills a notch up, it signifies enhancement. Here's how you can use it. She took her performance a notch up with that powerful speech. This restaurant has really gone a notch up with their new chef. Beware of confusing a notch up with a notch above. The latter is used to compare two things, where one is slightly better than the other. For instance, his work is a notch above the rest, meaning his work is superior but not by a large margin. English is rich with expressions that have similar connotations. Phrases like step up, kick it up a notch, and up the ante all resonate with the idea of making something better or more intense. We hope this explanation has taken your understanding of a notch up, a notch higher. Remember, language learning is about incremental progress, and each new phrase you learn propels you forward. Keep tuning in for more insights, and don't forget to practice using a notch up in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and keep improving, one notch at a time.